One way to improve student outcomes is by setting a really quick and simple homework task as an assignment. So if you go to create new assignment, set test yourself, and then select your groups and your course and your lessons. I'm going to do a whole body systems test, so I'm going to include all the musculoskeletal, the cardiorespiratory, and the effects of exercise. I'm going to set it at 75%, and there's going to be 15 questions. So the whole point of this is recalling facts and concepts from memory in order for students to enhance their learning. You can set it as a revision task like I'm doing with the body systems. It could be an interleaving assignment, grouping lots of different topics together. It could also be a reactivation task. So you've taught the information in the lesson, new content, and now as a homework task, you're setting it for students to be able to then complete and see how much they've taken in. So I'm going to write body systems practice, complete all 15 questions as many times as needed until you score at least 75%. Now the beauty of this is that every time they have to redo it, so if they don't get 75%, because we're allowing multiple attempts, they can redo it. This means that they will have loads and loads of opportunities until they are mastering this topic. Every single attempt, the questions will be different. They'll have to do it probably 400 or 500 times to have been getting the same questions. So we're going to assign it to the whole group, and we then create assignment, and that is it. It is so simple for the teacher to do. It's minimum effort, maximum output. If we show it from the student's perspective, so their next assignment, it's popped up just here. They're going to click on that and then click so that they can do it, and then the questions come up. So then they just have to match the answers, the time is ticking down, and then they move on to the next question. So they go from there. You can see this question, the time is already ticking down, and they go on and so on. By retrieving that information from their memory, picking it up, using it, it will strengthen those connections, holding it there, and that is going to really benefit them when they come to do their exams.